Hello My Monarchs! In this week's video, I'm using the Beetles gel-like nail kit I got from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down below. I have my nail tips pre-measured. I'm starting off with filing my natural nails with the nail filer, dusting off any residue from that. Using my electric nail file to file down the nail tips. In my opinion, this is a very important step. It helps with sticking onto my natural nails. Using the nail glue the kit came with to cure the tips onto my nails. Make sure you add a good amount of nail glue to cover all your nail bed. Place straight onto your nail and place under UV light for 30 to 45 seconds. Or if your UV lamp is timed, that works as well. First nail done, now continuing on with the rest of my nails. Using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut down to my desired length. I always start cutting off a bit and then I see how I'm feeling. Of course, if I want shorter, I cut more, but sometimes it can be too late if you want it to be longer. Now using the nail tip cutter, the nails aren't always straight, so I file down the edges to make sure they're all good. Using this Dollar Tree nail color in the number 963, your girl is on a budget this holiday season. Applying that to my thumb, of course adding a few layers. As you can see, it's not that pigmented. Also applying to my pointer finger. From Dollar Tree, I got this white color, which I'm applying to my pinky finger. As you might see, I have this nude color on my middle and ring finger, which at the end I did not like how it looked. For my pinky finger, I'm adding these chrome flakes. I did apply another layer of white nail polish beforehand so the flakes can stick. With my brush, I did press down so the flakes can sort of sink onto the nail polish. This is how it turned out to be. As you can see, I did do the same thing to my middle finger, and I had that glitter blue on my ring finger as well. I have my paint platter, which I'm applying some white nail polish. I'm using this size nail brush to create a snowflake. For my first time doing a snowflake and not being an artist, I think I did a good job. But I did also use a dotting tool for the ends of the flake. Adding some beautiful rhinestones to my ring finger just randomly. I am using the nail glue to apply these onto my nail. So these are the nails. I will be using this Kiss Gel top coat and curing my nails after. Cannot forget, of course, our cuticle oil. Now these are the nails. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of them and if you have any more Christmas ideas. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next week with another Christmas nail inspo video. Bye!